The UFOs we know are already a generation behind. On July 8, 1947, a disc-shaped craft was found in Roswell, New Mexico. The U.S. military secured the site and investigated secretly. The incident became widely known and set the standard for UFO events. At the same time, another type of early UFO existed. In the early 1940s, developed by the Nazi regime in Germany and sighted over the Baltic Sea, the so-called Nazi UFOs. In March 2015, a new UFO was discovered in Alaska's forests under Operation Arctic Retrieval, with no official records available. People continued to know only previous UFO models. But Operation Arctic Retrieval did not proceed as planned. At the recovery site, 4 unidentified UFOs appeared. The crashed craft was suddenly on the verge of being seized. In response, the U.S. military deployed 5 aircraft that had been secretly maintained since the Roswell incident, the Roswell UFO Squadron. A direct engagement unfolded in the skies over Alaska. The Roswell Squadron forced the hostile, unidentified craft into a complete retreat. The human cost was severe. 12 elite operatives lost their lives. Yet the crashed craft was ultimately secured under U.S. military control. Were they trying to protect the craft, or were they a secret Nazi faction attempting to steal it? The details of Operation Arctic Retrieval and the technologies deployed on site remain strictly classified to this day. One fact, however, is undeniable. Unknown technologies and hostile forces that threaten our existence are real. The recovered UFO was transported to Area 51 in the Nevada desert, where disassembly and analysis began under the highest classification level, Cosmic Top Secret. The results revealed the truth. This craft was a second-generation hybrid UFO, surpassing all previous designs. It possessed not only the ability to traverse space, but to leap through space-time itself. Scientists succeeded in decoding much of its operating systems. However, the core technology, the time machine mechanism, the fundamental principle of space-time jumps, was never fully understood. Earth was in decline, as climate crises and disasters worsened, and technology could no longer help. The only remaining hope was to journey to the planet where this UFO originated to save Earth's future. Thus began an extreme selection process to choose a single pilot. Countless military pilots and candidates were eliminated through simulations, high-G training, and psychological testing. Inside the high-G centrifuge, as everyone else screamed and lost consciousness, Vera Stone's heart rate grew calm. At some point, people began to call her Meditator Vera Stone. Basic scores could be achieved through physical strength, but perfect scores belong only to those who could transcend it, the meditators. Vera Stone achieved an unprecedented success rate, 98.4%. She was selected as the final candidate. Will she return with the answer to humanity's future? Meditator Vera Stone. A dangerous and pivotal journey upon which the fate of mankind rests begins now.